So this is the suite deck. So if you book a suite, then you get access to that, which has a private bar, private little deck over here, hang out and rest, and there's also a little kind of pool over there too. So it's kind of nice, you're in a private area. Hi guys, I'm here on the newest ship for Royal Caribbean, the Utopia of the Seas, and checking out the Ultimate Family Suite. So let's go check it out. So here is the Ultimate Family Suite. Have a really fun little carpet here to get in. Here we have like a little board to play on. I think you can color on this, like the chalk and stuff. Right here we have an interactive play table. So kids can, it's almost like a tablet, or you know, you can do puzzles and things like that here. Super fun. Here is the bathroom. Oh, super cute. I love how bright and colorful this is. Oh, and rub-a-dub-dub. That is so cool, how they did the tile like that. That's pretty awesome. And over here we have a bedroom. This is lovely. Very spacious. You have a flat screen TV, a little sitting area right here, a closet, and then a desk. So over here is kind of like a movie media room. Super cute. Look at this huge TV. Wow, that's pretty cool. And then you have a little bar area there to have a drink. And I love this little sitting area with the monster. Okay, how cute is that? This is probably one of the coolest parts about the family suite is the slide. Pretty awesome. And over here we have kind of like the living room area with a large TV and a nice, really comfy chair. Look at this kind of little sitting area. The kid can have their private little reading nook and then come out of the slide. There's one kid in here and he's gone down the slide like already like 5 or 6 times. It's really cute to see. Here on the balcony there is a private little jacuzzi whirlpool, then a dining area, and then also like a little climbing gym area. This is a huge balcony. Okay, let's head upstairs. It's like a piano, so when you step up it makes sounds. That's fun. Okay, and over here we have a bed. Super cute. Then we have a little kind of like vanity area. And then here's the bathroom. Lovely vanity. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the blues. And then, oh my goodness, look at that shower head. That looks amazing. And then we got another shower head here and another one here. Man, multiple people can have a shower there, hey? And then there's the toilet. That's pretty cool. Love this bathroom. And over here we have bunks. This is like quad bunks right here. Little kind of sofa area. And then a space bunk bed. And each bunk bed has its own TV. Okay, and then here's the bathroom. Super cute. Ow. It's gumballs or balls. I don't know. That's cute. That's a cute bathroom. This is a cool family suite. Okay, that is super cute. Utopia. So much fun. Oh my goodness, and it's a Lego wall. This is a whole wall for you to do Legos on. How fun is that? Okay, so that was the Ultimate Family Suite. That was so cool to see. So many like well thought out spaces. So if you are interested in booking that, make sure to contact me. My email is jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.